On the News Hour debate tonight, Dr. Abhishek Manu Singhvi represents the Congress. The BJP is represented by Nirmala Sitharaman, G.N. Ratanpuri and Abdul Rashid Shaheen, members of Parliament and a leader of the NC respectively. They are joining us from Srinagar. Thank you very much. Samir Kaul, spokesperson of the PDP, and we'll be joined by the Samajwadi Party's Kamal Farooqi as well. Now, let's throw the ball open today in our debate by asking Abdul Rashid Shaheen. Mr. Shaheen, why did your government not act in time? There is enough proof which has now accumulated to prove that the Omar Abdullah government knew that the trouble was simmering in Kishtwar. What was holding your government back?
I have been hearing to these statements for the last more than 20 years, that whenever we did a right course, right action, there were always critics to say that action has not been taken, it was not in time, it was not proper, it was not competent. Very unfortunate situation is there. I would like at this occasion all the men from press and politics and different groups, they should unite and have a consensus to stop this.
Mr. Rashid, the call for unity is not a replacement for inaction. There was an objection to people during the Kalash Yatra. One minute. On the 29th of July, 2 youth were injured after there were objections to the Kalash Yatra in the town. On the 7th of August, Gilani said that Muslims in Jammu region are being threatened. He asked people to go out and protest against the village defense committees after the Eid prayers. Why did your government at that point of time not act?
You see, for the last 20 years, such things are happening in Valley also, and unfortunately it has happened in the other part of the state also. But you don't tell us that after every movement we'll have to call army, and even within minutes time we should be able to get the garrisons of army around. Army also takes little time. And
there were no arrests till this afternoon. There was no arrest till this afternoon. No, there was no arrest till this afternoon. Even the post-violence reaction left much to be desired. The first arrest was made in Kishtwar despite repeated requests for strict law enforcement. I'm asking you tonight, what was holding you back?
Many things. Nobody has held us back. We have taken appropriate action, and that.
No, you haven't.
I must tell you, my dear, my dear, you have been always talking like that. And I know that your flank is always to corner our party and to corner our chief minister. We have been fighting a big battle in this part of the valley, right, for the last 20 years.
You know,
Dr. Abdullah, when Dr. Abdullah was chief minister, you were talking the same thing that
Mr. Shaheen, there were intelligence reports 10 days ago. There were intelligence reports 10 days ago warning of possible communal violence in the area. Instead of trying to attack me in turn, why don't you tell me? There was another input just a day before the incident.
What should I
Your government did not act on the inputs. Why did you not act on the inputs?
We should expect from all patriots of this country to help us this time to stabilize the situation.
Mr. Shaheen, why aren't you answering for your incompetence? Mr. Shaheen, you know, the first point is this.
Who will decide our incompetence?
Well, it is evident.
Goswami can do it. Can you decide the...
1 minute, Mr. Shaheen.
Can you see...
Mr. Shaheen, can you deny that your state government had received intelligence alerts of possible communal clashes in Kishtwar? Were several incidents not reported last month which signaled tension in the area? Were there not inputs which were provided to your government 10 days ago? Was another input not sent a day back?
Did the intelligence agencies give you also the report?
Well, the information is with me and it is all over the media, Mr. Shahid. If you have no answers, you can tell me now that we have no answers for all of this.
Get these informations?
This information is widely available to everyone but to your government and your chief minister, Mr. Shaheen.
I have never seen the forces who are criminalizing the
You see,
situation,
Mr. Shaheen,
who are working for the trifurcation of the
Mr.
state.
Shaheen, I now open this up. You see, if Mr. Shaheen,
It was-
you
it
choose
was-
to be,
it was
if you
in,
choose to be blind,
Dr. Farooq's time,
Mr.
Bajpai ji
Mr.
acted in
Shaheen, if you
time
choose
and
to be
stopped
blind to the reality,
trifurcation move which the RSS and others
Mr. Shaheen,
engaged in Jammu,
Mr.
and
Shaheen,
wanted to,
Mr.
burn
Shaheen,
down
why
Jammu
are you
for separation
pretending?
of the state.
Why are you? One sec. I'll just tell you one thing, Mr.
what is
Shaheen.
pretending
Remember
here?
one thing. Remember one thing. We too have our ears on the ground. We also know information, and you should correct yourself before you speak,
we do.
because
We are not
there were
there.
clashes.
We are
There were
not there.
clashes
We
as
do
well as
have,
incidents
our
of
ears
stone
to the
pelting
ground.
on
My
Thursday
media,
night.
My government is
The-
very well connected to the information system.
Well, if you want to
We
give
also have
yourself a clean
information
chit,
and we
nobody is
also
going to
acted
believe
in
you.
time.
If you're going to give yourself a clean chit, nobody is going to believe you. There were clashes.
We could do, we have done.
Mr. Shaheen, were there clashes on Thursday evening?
Down,
Were there clashes on Thursday evening?
must, yeah.
Were there posters of Maqbool Bhatt and Afzal Guru which had been put up in the area?
Yeah, what was it?
Were there pictures of Afzal Guru, posters of Afzal Guru and Maqbool Bhatt put up in the area with pictures of Shabir Shah as well? Did you take down the posters? Did you act?
I cannot deny. I cannot deny.
There you are. If you cannot deny, then don't try and counter-attack.
Who plead independence, who talk about it, we hold them, we fight back, we put.
That's the
keep
point. You
system
see,
intact.
Mr.
We work for.
You see,
secular
Mr. Shaheen,
democratic ways.
Mr. Shaheen, you have not been elected. Your government has not been elected to give a long rope to people who preach independence from the Indian state. You have been elected to uphold the values and the sovereignty and integrity of the Indian state, not compromise with it. Let me get Nirmala Sitharaman in. Nirmala Sitharaman, the charge against you. Ms. Nirmala Sitharaman, the charge against you is, why did Arun Jaitley have to try and visit the state when the situation had not been brought under control yet? Why were you trying to play with fire?
Why did he come? Why should he have come?
Let me ask Nirmala Sitharaman here. Let's hear her. Ms. Sitharaman.
Politics can wait.
The
Politics
leader of the
can wait.
opposition in the Rajya
Leaders
Sabha,
can wait till
and as a
the
responsible
situation
leader
is stabilized.
in the parliament, to go and see what exactly has happened there, to find the facts there. What stops anybody from going, and particularly a person who is the leader
we do
of the
respect
opposition
Jaitley
in the Rajya Sabha?
I know that
So
he is
I
a very
think
calm man,
the
but sometimes
Jammu and
it
Kashmir
was not
government,
necessary
instead
that
of
he should
stopping
go
people from
and
going
let
there,
the,
should actually help
let the,
in showing what
let
has
the
happened
elements-
and let the facts come out. What is wrong? These are responsible leaders who are leading the opposition in the Rajya Sabha, in the
Mr.
parliament,
Jaitley and others
and
are welcome.
earlier there are
It's open
instances
to
when
them.
people have
They are
gone
leaders,
to
they are
parts
elected
where there
members
has
of
been
the parliament.
affected situation
They are
like this.
respectful people.
Hasn't Mrs.
But
Sonia Gandhi
whenever
gone
it is
to
needed that,
Gujarat
it can-
when the
Mr.
riot
Shaheen, allow her to
was she
speak.
stopped?
Situation.
Mr. Shaheen, 1 minute. Mr. Shaheen, just listen through to Nirmala Sitharaman. Just listen through to Nirmala Sitharaman. Ms. Sitharaman, just one quick counter to that. I remember that when Digvijay Singh, right? Digvijay Singh, I think, was stopped by the Madhya Pradesh government in 2008 when he was trying to visit Indore after some communal riots there. And at that point of time, your government called it a political stunt. So how come you have a different rule for Madhya Pradesh and a different rule for Jammu and Kashmir? How is it okay for Arun Jaitley to visit Kishtwar but not okay for Digvijay Singh to visit Indore?
Situations can be different, I told
No, my
you.
question is to Nirmala Sitharaman, sir. I am asking Nirmala Sitharaman, I am asking the BJP. Just bear with me. Bear with me, sir. Bear with me. Nirmala Sitharaman.
It'll help if I'm not obstructed by the keenness of the National Conference spokesperson, who actually should be asking his government as to why, if nothing is so concerning and if they are able to effectively manage, they should stop the leader of the opposition from going. You may ask me a question of Madhya Pradesh. I'm also raising the issue on which the Chief Minister sits on judgment about Gujarat. Sonia Gandhi ji went to Gujarat. Was she stopped? And remember when the violence in Gujarat happened on 28th February, and February has 28 days. 1st March, you had team of leaders going, called People Front, eminent leaders, members of parliament visiting Ahmedabad. They were allowed to go around everywhere. And
You didn't
Mrs.
answer
Sonia
my
Gandhi, when
question.
she went on 8th March.
You didn't answer my question.
She went over to Godhra. and then
You didn't
went
answer
over-
my question. I'm going to Abhishek Singh. You didn't. My question was
answering-
My question was, is it not the discretion of the state government to take a call or not on whether VIP visits there will exacerbate the situation on the ground and therefore curb it? So your government stopped Digvijay Singh from visiting Indore. The Jammu and Kashmir government stopped Arun Jaitley from visiting Kishtwar. It's the same logic that I'm throwing back at you, and I'm not getting a clear answer from you.
No, you will get an answer, first of all, for the Chief Minister who has been quoting wrong things. And the father of the Chief Minister has also been incorrect in quoting things in the Parliament. I want to put that record straight, because he goes on tweeting without managing what is happening in Kishtwar and tweeting wrong things and tweeting incorrect facts. And that has to be put right first of all.
No, again I'm not getting an answer.
First of all, a constitutional... Wait a minute, Arnab, you may raise a lot of issues. But the Chief Minister, who has gone on record through the Twitter saying... No, if you want me to keep quiet, I'll keep quiet. But this program, your viewers expect the BJP to answer the Chief Minister, who has not done a decent job of what should be done in Kishtwar, but has the time to tweet about another Chief Minister who's a elected constitutional head in some other state. Is he sitting on judgment on somebody else? That year, February 28, when the whole clash started happening, within an hour, Chief Minister Narendra Modi calls a press conference and announces that the army has been called. And within 24 hours, army was deployed. And that is covered by the media too.
No. One minute. Nirmala Sitharaman. No. Nirmala Sitharaman, I'm going to the Congress party. I do remember that I have a report of the 2nd of March which says a group of members of parliament who tried to visit the riot-hit areas were denied permission by the state police and had to return to Delhi.
No,
and they were denied permission because the state government said it was not safe for them to visit the riot-hit areas yet. But that's not the question. Abhishek Manu Singhvi, we can... No, my question is to Dr. Singhvi. Let's get the Congress.
You can't get away by saying something which is incorrect.
No, I'm not saying something that is incorrect. I have the facts with
incorrect.
me.
March 1st. No. These are very critical facts and you can't say things partly correct and leave the rest.
Well, I don't know where. No. You must hear the other side. I'm seeing Dr. Singhvi want to contradict you.
You can't.
Let him contradict you.
I'm sure Dr. Singhvi will want to contradict me.
He hasn't even spoken yet.
The incorrect... No, wait a minute. You've said something which is wrong, or no? I can't allow you to go like that.
What is wrong in what I said?
You also have your facts correct.
Yes, my facts are absolutely correct.
The members of parliament, listen to me for a minute and then correct yourself, or you say you're right.
Yes.
But listen to me first,
yes, please. Go ahead,
People's
briefly.
Front or some name of that kind, members of parliament, I'll name them also, reached Ahmedabad on the 1st. They went around Ahmedabad. And on the 2nd, certain areas which got very tense, they were probably not allowed to go there because on the 1st they went around everywhere.
So that's the point.
So are you denying
fine.
that?
Fine. See,
are you denying that they were already visiting Ahmedabad and going around places?
Well, you know,
contradict that.
You know, Miss.
And that was covered in Times of India.
You see, now, Miss Sitharaman, the point here is you didn't answer my first question. But anyway, I'll move on to Abhishek Manu Singhvi. My first question was something, but my broader question is, why are we bringing in Gujarat when we are discussing Kishtwar, Abhishek Manu Singhvi?
Absolutely.
What is, how will Omar Abdullah raising Gujarat on Twitter and Farooq Abdullah raising Gujarat in Parliament help the situation in Kishtwar? Isn't that an obvious and clear, blatant attempt to cover up the existing, the incompetence of the present, Dr. Singhvi?
And even then, giving...
No, let him answer now.
I hope you will at least...
I'm sure.
I hope you will allow me my 120 seconds at least without your own interruption, Arnab. I'm very terrorized by your interruption.
Please go ahead. Go ahead. Please don't be. Yeah.
Now, the first point is we have to be all some amount of statesmanship in a situation like this. There's a communal situation there, and all of us, including the anchor, have to do everything possible not to conflagrate. I mean that not as a sermon, not as a pious hope, but as a real statement.